A double burger with nearly zero carbs. Look at this beauty. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So what you're going to do with the tomato to keep it at a manageable amount of net carbs, to keep it negligible, you're going to cut them very, very thin. See how thin they are? Very thin. Using the proper knife, of course, which is what people call the bread knife. You only need a couple slices, very thin. That's it, couple slices, see, very thin. So in essence, I have two thin slices of tomato, very thin, some cilantro, and some arugula. And the portions of the cilantro, arugula, and the tomato is so small that the net carb is going to be negligible. I also going to have 3 slices of bread, and this bread is 10 grams of carbs minus the dietary fiber of 10 grams equals 0 net carbs. And I have 2 patties. You can go with beef. I'll go with bison because it's very lean. And all they need at the moment is a little bit of salt. Doesn't matter what type. So I'm going to toast my bread. I like it toasty because it gives it texture, keep it solid. And I don't use a toaster, I just use the pan I heat. I'm going to use some duck fat that I rendered a while back, months ago actually. Link in my description on how to render duck fat. This is not going to be here for a long time. It's about maybe minute and a half, is that, both sides combined. And the last time you add some garlic, you mince it. Into the flavor. Same here.